Today we are going to learn 10th standard example 1.4. Let capital A is equals to 3, 4, 7, 8 and B is equals to 1, 7, 10. Which of the following sets are relation from A to B? Your first question is 7. Totally there are 3 questions. First we'll find A to B is given. First we'll find A cross B. We know already how to find A cross B in the previous classes. 3, 1, 3, 7, 3, 10, 4, 1, 4, 7, 4, 10, 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 10, 8, 1, 8, 7, 8, 10. First we'll find A cross B. Now you see in your Roman letter 1, first question, 3, 7, 3, 7 is here, 4, 7, compare this relation 1 with A cross B. 4, 7, 4, 7 is here, 7, 10, 7, 10 is here, 8, 1, 8, 1 is here. The relation 1, everything is contained in this A cross B. So, relation 1 is subset of A cross B. All the elements of relation 1 is contained in A cross B. So, it is subset of A cross B. Therefore, R1 is a relation from A to B. R1 is relation from A to B. Now, your Roman letter 2. 3, 1, 4, 12. 3, 1 is here. 4, 12 is not here. So, 4, 12 belongs to relation 2. But it does not belongs to A cross B. So, R2 is not a relation from A to B. Next, your third question. 3, 7, 3, 7, 4, 10, 4, 10, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8 is not here. 8, 11 is not there. 8, not 11, this is 1. 8, 7 is here. 8, 10 is here. So, 7, 8 belongs to relation 3, but it does not belongs to A cross B. So, R3 is not a relation from A to B. Same model, it is given in an exercise 1.2 first sum. So, A value is given, B value is given. We have to find the relation from A to B. So, first we will find A cross B. So, 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, -1, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, -1, 3, 7, 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, -1, 7, 7. First we have found A cross B. Your first Roman letter 1 is, relation 1 is 2, 1, 7, 1. So, 2, 1, 7, 1 belongs to relation 1. But both does not belongs to A cross B. So, it is not a relation from A to B. Your next relation 2 is -1, 1. -1, 1 is missing in A cross B. So, 1, 1 belongs to relation 2. But -1, 1 does not belong to A cross B. So, R2 is not a relation from A to B. Your Roman letter 3, 2, -1. 2, -1. 2, -1 is here. 7, 7, 7, 7, 1, 3, 1, 3. So, all the relation 3 value exists in A cross B. So, R3 is subset of A cross B. That is, all the values of R3 is contained in A cross B. Therefore, R3 is a relation from A to B. Your Roman letter 4, relation 4, 7, -1, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 7. 0, 7 and 0, 3 it is in relation 4, but it does not exist in A cross B. So, therefore, relation 4 is not a relation from A to B. 0, 7 and 0, 3 does not exist in A cross B. So, it is not a relation from A to B. Thank you, children. Any doubt, please comment.